video, I will show you how to customize the backgrounds and text of your images. By simply clicking on Properties and selecting the square that you would like to modify, we can make some changes. If we want to modify the image, select the image. You will see a box around the image, and you will be able to modify things such as skin tone and speech to text if we were going to utilize that. So if you forgot to change the skin tone when you initially selected the image, you may modify that here. If you'd like to modify the text, double-click on the word, delete it, and write what you would like it to say. There we go. You can change the font, size, and style here, as well as the color of text. One thing to keep in mind is if you select one of the colors from these spectrum colors, you can copy this number right here, and when doing the rest of yours, simply paste it in here. So I will show you that. So we'll go over to Cheetos, double click on the word Cheetos, and we'll highlight this. And under color, instead of where it says black, I will override that with that color, and it will simply change it to the same color as the word lunch. You can also do that with backgrounds. In order to change the background color of your image, you will select the box. When you see a dotted line around the entire box and not just the image or the text, it will say over here background color. We can drop this down and modify the background color. This is wonderful for students who have visual impairments who may need a high contrast image. Doing this the same way that you did the text font color by selecting this and copying it so that all of them are the same is a good idea. We'll do green as in this example. I will copy this code here. So when I select on Cheetos, Properties, Background Color, instead of the word white, I'll delete it, paste that same color, and there you go. All of them will be the same. Background color, we don't want it to be black, we want them all to be the same. So that's how you can modify the image, text, and background color of your images.